So this is the campsite that I'm at. And that little greenhouse down there has some beautiful red tomatoes that I can see as I peek through the window. But it says private, you're not supposed to go in there. But they looked amazing. This is a beautiful property. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at these birch trees. They're gorgeous. That guy over there is setting up a tent. I'm impressed. I would not be able to sleep on the ground outside. I'm in my car. But this tree, you guys, I just love it. It's like I just want to come up here and love on this tree. It's stunning. Just stunning.